Ladies and gentlemen, today is a beautiful day. The reason why is because we have the new Ladura Duo Premium Scalp and Hair Care Device. We also right here in front of us have the Boost Duo Pod, pack of 2, and we're gonna get into exactly what this is. Number 1, we have red light therapy in this, helping regrow your hair. We have sonic vibration, therapeutic warmth, microcurrent stimulation, and then the Boost is your follicle boost serum. And this is a proprietary complex of vitamin B3, caffeine, peptides, and green tea leaf extract. Again, pack of 2. This is vegan, cruelty-free, silicone-free, color-safe. So if you do dye your hair, it is color-safe, and all types of hair. So just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, I will have this linked where you guys can read more about it after the video is done and pick it up yourself. Once again, that's going to be linked in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get this out and see what we have inside the box. Very cool. So here's one of the boosts right here, and that's going to go inside of our brush. We'll of course show you that before we do get into that. And let's get this guy on out right here. Okay, opening it on up, we have our instruction manual here. Go ahead and give that a read over. And number 2, go ahead and get rid of our moisture packet there. I like the presentation I see right here. I like good product packaging, and it comes really nice, kind of almost like a headphone case, really sleek and nice, something you would like almost get at Best Buy. Folds open, has their story right here, has your comb right here, which actually is very nice. So it almost has this like anti-slip silicone type of a texture to it here. You have your on and off button right here on the bottom, and what looks to be another button right here. So on the bottom here, we remove a little silicone tab, and that's your recharging port here, and that is a micro USB. You have an LED indicator light right here, your on and off button right here, your comb, bristle, and brushes right here, and then of course your boost pod goes right in the center right here, and then around the ring, that is your red light therapy. I need to do more research on red light therapy. I have a massage suction cup for massage cupping that has red light therapy, and I've heard red light therapy is very good for your face, skin, hair, etc. You do have a button on the back there as well. That might be the eject button. Yeah, I think that's the eject button for the boost pod there. So on and off button, eject button. Overall, very simple device, not too large either, as you can see in my hand. So overall, definitely a cool device. Looks to a cool device. Obviously, we got to make sure it works. And then in this little pouch here, that's going to do it for the box there. This is probably going to be all our accessories here. So looks like they give us a nice little wall brick adapter there for charging. Also give us a little bag for our brush here. Kind of like a, I don't think that's leather, probably vegan leather. Tie straps on the top, microfiber cleaning cloth right here. Your USB to micro USB charging cable here. And it looks like they also give you 2 cleaning brushes, as we can see here. All right, we're gonna read the instructions. We're gonna go ahead and fully charge this before we do give this a go for the first time. And I'm gonna show you my hairline, and let's check out the results. Ladies and gentlemen, let me put this to the test now and show you how we do it. I've been using it for about the last month and a half or so, and I've been getting about 4 or 5-minute uses per session. So it goes about 20 to 25 minutes. I've been mostly using it in the green, gentle, 1 click over for the balance mode. And then of course, 1 more click over for the blue LED light, which is gonna be your boost mode. I like the gentle mode myself. And what I really like about it, of course, is we can see here the red light right here. And that has, again, 30 medical grade red LED bulbs of 660 nm wavelength to your hair follicle. I've definitely been enjoying the microcurrent stimulation, of course, sonic vibration, and then therapeutic warmth as well. So what I typically do, again, it's super quiet. Let me put it up to my microphone right here. Very subtle humming noise and a very subtle vibration in the hand, but not very much at all. And what I typically do is I just start at the beginning of my hairline. I go all the way back, lift up, and then just do this. And then what I like to do here, I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror here, and I do this every night. Occasionally I will skip a night if I forget, but I try my best to do it. And it actually makes your hair really soft. I don't shampoo my hair anymore, and you're like, Chris, did you get that full head of hair just from the Duo? Well, I have been using the Duo almost every night for the last month and a half. I like the red light therapy, but let me turn that off for just a second. I have been using minoxidil, I think for the past 3 years, 2.5 years. You can pick this up at Costco, Amazon. This is a 6-month supply. supply, super cheap. It's just Costco's minoxidil, Rogaine, same exact thing, but does the same thing for cheaper than Rogaine. And then I also am doing biotin, 10,000 mcgs. I take one in the morning with my vitamins and one at night. Biotin, natural supplement for hair, skin, and nails. And something else that I am using for my hair is I'm also doing prescription finasteride, also known as Propecia. It just stops the chemical stress in your hair from losing your hair. I'll go ahead and include a video clip right now of myself before I started using minoxidil and finasteride prescription. And as you can see, back then, my parking lots, I called them, were much deeper. This was not as full. And I know my hair is a little bit messy right now, but it is night and day different from pictures where my hairline in the front, it's not perfect, and that's why I'm continuing to use the Duo as well. So let's get in here really tight. It's not bad, but I have it back just a little bit. I'd like to fill this section in a little bit more. This side, a little harder. Let me put a little shadow on there. This side is filled in a little bit better than this side. I think it's just how my hair kind of goes, and maybe the sun penetrates that right there. Don't quote me on that one. But what I actually do in my sessions with Duo is I put an extra like 30 seconds into this section right here. And so mostly I concentrate on my peaks right here and then on my back here, but I do fully comb my hair. And what I like about it is it's giving that vibration like a soft scalp massage. And there's people who have had fantastic hair growth results from scalp massages. Not scratching, but scalp massage, just like the vibration you have right here. Not to mention with the red light therapy, I'm looking and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So again, I'll do this. I'm learning French right now, so I either go on my Duolingo app or scroll Twitter while I'm combing my hair at nighttime. I mostly do it about nighttime and then go to bed with a nice soft hair. But so even just off of what I've been doing it on camera, it's less coarse and the texture feels better as well. You're brushing it and you're getting good red light therapy all in one. Not bad at all. Remember, you also do have your dual pods as well. That's a leave-in treatment. And then if you get the comb a little nasty, remember you do have your cleaning brush as well to get in there and clean it out. Let's face it, we're not all picture perfect. We have some dry dandruff, flaking of the scalp. That's something when I first started using minoxidil, my hairlines right through here would get a little bit flaky. When I first started using it, I think for like the first 6 months or so. So in combination to minoxidil, natural biotin, it is a thumbs up in my book. It definitely helps with the smoothness. And in all honesty, I need to use it for a little bit longer before I see better results right here. But I do like the density. I do like how it feels after I'm done with my session. Do need to do more research into red light therapy. A lot of people love it for face masks, for just overall feeling of their body. Big, huge red lights. So I like that it does incorporate that in the Duo. And I am going on a mountain biking trip here coming up in just a little while. So of course I got my little case. Put that on in, flip that around, put that in your overnight bag, and you could be in the guest bedroom next door. I'm traveling with my brother. We're gonna go on a little mountain bike trip. I can do my little hair routine while I scroll the internet, or what I like to do is I like to just pray while I'm doing it. I'll leave that up to you. Once again, top link in the description box right below the video will be the link for the Duo where you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself, and use that link for your discount. And please let me know in the comments your hair routine, and if you use the Duo in the future, let me know your results in the comments section below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel, the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, tech videos, DIY house remodel videos like the room you see here, DIY van build, and more. Once again, your link is top link in the description box below. My name is Chris, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.